guys, this is Ogomwadi. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. So guys, today we're going to be making keto cream cheese pound cake. Sounds yummy, right? Thank you once again for joining me. Alright, if you are on keto or low carb diet and you're craving for some sweets or for some cheesecake, this is your recipe. So go ahead, get your notes, get a pen, start taking notes because you're gonna be needing this. Guys, if you're on keto or low carb diet, you don't really miss much. All you have to do is just substitute some unhealthy stuff for the healthier version. That's all it takes. So today I'm gonna show you how to put this together. Alright, we're gonna be needing almond flour, which is the substitute for the regular all-purpose flour. You're gonna be needing like 2 cups of it or 2.5 cups. And for the sweetener, in place of sugar, we're gonna be using the Monkefruit sweetener. This Monkefruit already has like erythritol, which is also another sweetener in it. We're gonna be needing lemon extract. If you don't have this, just squeeze out a little lemon and add to it. And of course, pure vanilla extract. We're going to be needing like 1 quart of salt, and the baking soda should be like 1.5 tablespoons. That should be fine. Over here we have 3 eggs. The eggs has been in room temperature for best result. And here is the butter. This is like 60 grams of unsalted butter. It's in room temperature. It has melted very well, and I already measured out everything that we're going to be needing. This is the baking soda measured out, and this is the cream cheese. We're going to be needing like 120 grams of cream cheese, also in room temperature. And here it's almond nuts. This is just optional. I use it as a topping after I already transferred the batter in the pan. And of course we're going to be needing the pan. This is 8 by, I forgot what the measurement, but you're going to be needing a pan. I line it with a parchment paper for easy removal. And here is the almond flour that I already sifted for smoother batter. You're going to be needing your bowl, and you need your hand mixer. If you want to use your stand mixer, if you have it, go ahead. So we're using hand mixer. So this is basically all you need. And you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees because we're going to be baking this for 40 minutes. Alright, so let's go into making this yummy cream cheesecake. The first step will be to add your cream cheese. You see how soft it is because it has been on room temperature, so it's easy to work with. And then you go ahead, add your melted unsalted butter and the sweetener. So this is this for now. We're gonna go ahead and mix with the So now you add the egg, the lemon extract, and the vanilla extract, and we'll mix again. The next step is to add in our flour, which is the almond flour. And to that, I'm going to be adding the baking powder and the salt. So this time around, I'm using the spatula to just incorporate them together. You mix it properly, and then you transfer it into the baking pan. So now we transfer it into the prep pan. The last step will be just sprinkle the nuts. Like I said, it's optional. You can use any nuts, but it's almond cream cheesecake, so I just want to make everything almondy. Alright, so now it's going into the oven, 350 preheated oven for 40 minutes. See you in 40 minutes. Okay guys, it's 40 minutes exact. So we brought out our cake. I'm just gonna allow it to cool before cutting it, because if I cut it right away, I don't want it to scatter. So this is it. Let's give it like 10 minutes and then we slice the cake. Alright guys, so this is it. It's cool enough to cut. And this is it. Look at that, guys. Our keto cream cheesecake. And my kids are ready, making all kind of noise because they want this. Thank you for joining me. If you're coming for the first time, I appreciate you. God bless you. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave a comment. If you have a question, go ahead and leave the question. I'll definitely get back to you. To my returning subscribers, you are amazing. God bless you all. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. It's bye from Ogowadi. Bye.